Hi guys, it's me Max and today I'm going to be doing a video. Today I'm going to be making clear slime. And if you want to know, I've got a tripod. So yeah, this is my clear glue. It's really rectified clear glue. I can't get it out. Oh, there we go. There a little capsule on it. That is pretty cute. Oh, that is a lot. If you're going to hear any background noises, sorry. Sorry about that. I don't know who it is. Right, try to get everything out. You can't see the clear glue. So
Hello guys, it's me, Max's dad. Today we're gonna make a fluffy slime.
That's my dad. I'm going to add in a little bit. So I'm going to mix it in now. That's my mum.
Hello guys.
Oh, it's not activated very good. I'll wait for it to click up as well. Hi guys, it's me, Max's mum. My mum is embarrassing me and my dad. That is a little bit thicker. Sorry if I haven't been uploading for a while because I've been having a lot of football. So yeah, couldn't be making the video. I couldn't be making any videos in the time. So that's why I did, because I had football training all the time and I didn't have any time to do a video. Oh, this is activating. But I need it with one hand. That's my mum again.
And again.
It's activated. Ooh, I'll get it with two hands now. It's not going to be clear. I have to let it clear. Take it out, the air bubbles out, as you can see. It's a little bit sticky. Don't like sticky slime. It's like bleh. This is a clear glue pan. I'll just get all of it out. I'm going to pop it in. Add in a little bit more activator. I'm trying to make a football video, but comment down below and say what football ideas you've got, because I want to make a football video, because all my friends in school are saying that, like, I'll mention Jacob Howard. So I'm giving a shout out to Jacob Howard, Jacob Goodell, Daniel Curtis, Jacob Hutek, and George Ross. All them for suggesting me some ideas for my videos. They've never said slime because they are more into football and I love football. That's why That's why I can't do any uploads because I'm doing football all the time. And that's why I can't make... Ooh, it's really nice. That's why I can't make any videos, so that's my problem, I'm going to say. Whoop. That's clear. Oh. Who else can I shout out? Oliver Hosky / Egghead. Egghead. Shout out to Egghead. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Or if you like slime, make sure to like this video. If you like slime. Because I love slime. I just like squishing it and stretching it and stuff like that. I think you guys like it as well. Still a bit weird for boys doing it, but I'm fine with that. I can have the hate comments. Just don't like them the most. And I've only got one more clear glue pen, so I have to be careful with that so I don't make that much of it. So I'm gonna dump this. Oh, so it's stretchy actually, because last time it was just rippy and stuff because I think I overactivated it. So just back it out. We need some more activator. Egghead. My best friend is Egghead. My third best friend is, I'll say my friends. My first best friend is Jacob Howard. Then George. Then Jacob. Then Egghead. And then Sosna. A friend called Sosna. Can't remember who next. Don't know who. Maybe a chicken nugget. This is clear, look. See, guys. This is my first time making a clear glue. This is my twice actually. Because last time it would have failed, so I don't really count it. Oh, and there's someone coming into the door. Oh, poking it. Listen. This is my mum again, as you can see. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Come into the video.
No way.
Come here. She wants me to leave for a little bit. I don't have a lot of glue. I've only got like 3 little pennies of it. I'm going to add a little bit more activator. And then boop, 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 boop. Drop, drop, drop. Like having slime. We don't love slime. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Ah, ha, ha. Ooh, ha, ha. Ooh. I like this. I really like this. I think I need to add some more activator. I'm going to use my big bottle this time. I'm going to get a little capsule and add a little bit. That's good enough. Mum?
Yeah,
Can you please give me a paper towel?
I can't now.
Why? Please. My hands are really.
My hands are white.
They're not. She's lying. She's just lazy.
Yeah, of course.
She's just lazy. She's always lazy. What are they kidding? So I think I'll just go get a box for this slime. I'm gonna go get a box. other slime I got. This is another slime. It's really nice, but I think it's just hardened. Just if you added some, I really like it stretchy. Really soft. Okay. But I think I've got too much slime. So I'm gonna throw this one away. But I'm really sad because this slime is really good. But clear slime is even better. So listen to this, guys. Oh my gosh. Alright, now I'm going to be ending the video, so I'm just going to pop it in, close it, and bye guys!